Hey everybody, it's Dr. Lusheen, and this is the Module 4 review and forward looking into Module 5 for Safety 783 for Spring 2025. This past week the past module, we started questioning some of the research that we had covered in the first 3 weeks and introduced what I think are an exciting new set of approaches, which are more focused on the positive, on things that work, on resisting blame and learning instead of just fixing. So I do hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I really liked the discussions you guys were having. It looks like you guys are evolving. Or your thoughts are evolving. Sorry, and I'm proud of you guys. It was fun reading the discussion board this week. I don't even want to talk about performance stats because you guys are doing well. I like the reviews. I like what some of you are kidding around with me, especially when you're reading my work. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm happy right now. I think we're gonna have some great course papers or topics that come out of what you guys are talking about. So please just keep up the good work, and I hope you guys had a good Easter holiday. For Module 5, I'm okay. Let me just. I'm excited, but also scared because the lecture's over an hour long. Even the people who were in the studio recording it were like, "What the hell?" But I'm proud of it, and I hope it gives you some insights that I've been building up to. Module 5 is really what we've been building up to, because what I really wanted to get out of this course, what I wanted you to get out of this course, is to question contemporary beliefs in how to practice environmental safety and health, but maybe even more importantly is how do we measure, because I really think that in order to improve something, we have to be able to measure it. And I don't think that our current accepted or more of the contemporary ways in which we measure safety are correct. And I think you saw that, or you'll see that in my paper that you're going to read this week. And so that's what this is all about. I put up on there on purpose, out with the old, in with the new. And I hope you all have connected to that basic idea. And I want everybody to become more of a philosopher, if you will, as it pertains to how you're gonna practice safety. This week is a little bit different. For the assignment, I do want you to review the papers. You don't have to review the bonus content, just the other assigned papers, because I do provide some bonus content. But for the assignment, I want you to please identify. Please identify a portion of the assignment that you attempt to describe. I want you to talk about what you're thinking about covering for your project, whether it's a measure or measures or a particular topic or a particular policy or program, whatever it is. I want you to really argue and challenge sort of current or contemporary beliefs. And if you want to, if you're like, oh, I'm really bad at writing, you can voluntarily present during the office hours in week 6. So, maybe we'll do it week 7. Now that I'm kind of thinking of it, let's do it week 7. Week 7 during the office hours. Okay, sorry about that, because week 6 is environmental. Then week 7 is the bonus, and so that there really isn't any work. Everything's voluntary. You're working on your paper. Blah blah blah. So sorry, week 7. Okay, sorry about that. I'm trying to line all this stuff up. I don't know why the slide did this, but there are 9 papers that I want you to read. I review 4 of them plus bonus material in a new video that I'd put together. So I've got another paper by me, one by Hallowell, the Revit paper, the main paper. All these are really good. Oh, and there's another one by me, but you really don't have to just use my video review as sort of your review of it, because I really give you what it's all about. So yeah, that's that for the discussion board this week. I need everyone to answer this one question. It's required that you answer this question. Based on this week's content and your professional experience, what should you use to measure and drive improvement of a safety program? Measure and drive improvement of safety program performance. Okay, I guess that sounds right. So, yeah, everybody please answer this question and then go ahead and do as you do with the other 5. Yeah, and I also ask you if you'd like to share, some things you'd like to do for the paper. I really hope that's where we are now, is we're really challenging things and saying, hey, I really like to learn more about this. That is it for this week, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I am very happy with the way things went, especially on the discussion board last week. Really, really impressed the way you guys are kind of relating to the material and linking it to past experience, and you guys are talking, and some of you are being very honest with things that have happened to you, and I thank you for that. That means a lot, I think, for everybody. So otherwise, I'll have the office hours on Wednesday and next Sunday. And yeah, reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks, everybody. Keep up the great work.